does a profession therefore define a person? If I'm John the lawyer and that's how I'm known for 30 years, is that who I am? Is that what defines me as a human being, as a person?
If I was at a party in Paris and I didn't know anybody in the party, and I went to a stranger and I said, "Hi, my name is Larry, and your name is Steve. Tell me about yourself." I have no idea what would come out of your mouth, Steve. You might talk about your job, you might talk about your religion, your politics, your children. I have no idea, because that's Paris. If I go to any city in the United States and I go to any stranger and I say, "Hey, my name is Larry, tell me about yourself," I can guarantee that the first word that'll come out of that person's mouth is their job title.
Yeah.
Because
That's crazy, right?
that is, well, that is the US culture.
That's
And
the
we're like,
culture.
it's like when you're a fish that swims, there's a cliche, the fish that swims in water doesn't know it's in water.
Yeah.
Because that's the environment it's in. And we don't understand that the culture of the United States is you are what you do. You are an employment and labor lawyer. You are a partner at a law firm. Any questions? And everything else is kind of a secondary issue.
Yeah.